Importance of root culture. Root culture have increased the knowledge of carbohydrate metabolism, role of mineral ion and vitamins in root growth. Root culture have provided basic information regarding the dependence of root on shoots for growth hormones. Root cultures are ideally suited for study of the effect of various compounds on root growth. Some specific application of root culture are study of nodulation of leguminous root in culture. The process of nodule formation on the root of leguminous plant by nitrogen-fixing bacteria is a complex physiological system which is poorly understood. Root culture of leguminous plant provided an ideal system to study it. When bacteria are inoculated directly in root culture, they quickly grow and spoil whole culture. Again, nitrate in the medium is required for the root growth but is inhibitory to nodulation. To overcome such difficulties, three famous scientists M. Reggio, N. Reggio and J. G. Torre modified the root culture technique for nodulation study. In their study, the base of an excised root of Phaseolus vulgaris was supplied with sucrose and vitamin via agar media in a glass vial. The remainder of the root was in contact with the inorganic nitrate-free medium containing rhizobium. By this process, isolated roots develop nodule in the culture. Therefore, in vitro nodulation helped to understand the relationship between symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria and higher plant. Second specific application of root culture is regeneration of shoots on roots. Culture of isolated root can be maintained continuously for many years. However, in some species, shoots can be induced to regenerate from cultured root. The shoots primordia can be derived from callus at the cut end of the root. The third specific application of root culture is study of synthesis of secondary metabolites from root culture. The roots of many medicinally important plant species synthesize pharmaceutical important alkaloid as byproduct of normal metabolism. Root culture have been used to locate the site of biosynthesis of such compound. Root culture techniques are also used to increase the synthesis of such compound in cultured root by some nutritional manipulation. The fourth specific application of root culture is initiation and development of secondary vascular tissue. Normally, excised culture root shows only the primary structure of young seedling radicle and therefore do not form secondary vascular tissue, but it has been found that excised root tip from pea seedling develop a vascular cambium when cultured in medium containing indoleacetic acid. Attempts have also been made to define the factors that determine the site, time, and origin and functioning of such vascular cambium. Famous scientist Torre studied this phenomenon using a modification of the technique developed by Reggio and Reggio. The basal 5 mm portion of excised 15 mm long pea root were inserted into an agar solidified basal medium supplemented with various test substances like auxin, cytokinin, and the exposed 10 mm portion of the root was placed in petri dish of basal agar medium containing inorganic salt, vitamin, and sucrose. When the bases of pea root were fed with extra sucrose and indole acetic acid, a vascular cambium was initiated. But when the whole portion of root was allowed to grow in basal medium, they did not form secondary vascular tissue. These experiments have suggested that auxin cytokinin may have an important role in cambial development.